Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preheating the oven to 170 degrees C and preparing a 20 cm pan. This ensures even baking from the first minute. Once done, weigh and sift 40 g cocoa with flour to avoid lumps and to aerate the mix. Now whisk 4 egg yolks with half the sugar until pale. This builds structure and flavor. Meanwhile, gently melt 40 g butter and cool it slightly. Make sure it's warm so it blends without cooking the eggs. You'll now create the light texture that defines a sponge. Whip the 4 egg whites with the remaining sugar to soft, stiff peaks. This traps air for lift. Once whipped, fold 1/3 of those whites into the yolk and dry mixture to loosen the batter. This prevents overfolding later. Then, gently fold in the remaining whites with a metal spatula using a slow, wide motion from bottom to top. Finally, swirl in the warm, melted butter in 2 additions, so it disperses without collapsing the aerated batter. You're ready to bake. Pour the batter into the lined pan, smooth the surface, and tap sharply to release big bubbles. Once in the preheated oven, bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the top springs back and a skewer comes out clean. This indicates set crumb. After removing, invert the pan onto a rack to cool. This preserves volume and prevents sinking. If the cake collapses or feels dense, make sure you whipped whites to correct peaks and that your oven temperature is accurate. Adjust and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.